Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we will see about Odoo Quickbooks Canada connector and the process for importing invoices, bills and customer and vendor payments from Quickbooks to Odoo. So let's get started. So here is our Quickbooks dashboard and here is our Odoo dashboard. So whenever we are into our Odoo dashboard, we will go to the Quickbooks instance that we created, and as we open the instance, here is the configuration that we have done and here is the import configuration. As we go back and we go to operations, here is the operations that we will perform for importing invoices, bills, customer payments and bill payments. So first of all, we will go to our QuickBooks dashboard and here we will see how to import the invoices. So first of all, as we can see in the invoice section, there are some 51 invoices as you can see, and we will see the process to import the same. So here from the QuickBooks operation, we will check how to import the invoices. So first of all, I'll show you something that is import configuration. So whenever this flag is not on, all of the invoices that are imported will be visible over here in the smart button. Currently we are not imported any one of them, so it is showing 0, but again we will see how to import the same and we will see how the invoices will be visible over here. So currently we are not keeping this flag on. When we do not keep the flag on, the invoice will only be imported from QuickBooks to Odoo and they will not be created in Odoo. This is specially for the process to create the invoices after the import. So let's go back in the operations. First of all, import the invoice. Let's execute the same. Now next we execute it, we can also do the date selection. As you can see here, you can add from and to date in case if you want to select any particular section or the dates to import the invoice. Now since we have imported the invoice, we'll go to mapping and invoices. Here we will see all the 51 invoices that are imported. So here are the 51 invoices that we saw over here, which are imported currently over here. Now as we see that only these imports are invoices are imported and the invoices are not created in Odoo. So first of all, let's delete them and check how to make them created in Odoo. Let's go to the import configuration and check over here. Let's save it. Now we will go to the operations and do the import invoice process again. Let's execute it. Now on executing the same, the invoices will be imported as well as they will be created in Odoo. So let's wait for a bit as the process is happening in the background. So now as we go to the mapping section, the invoices are imported and are also created in Odoo as draft invoices, as you can see it over here. You can go over here as well and check in the invoice section that all the invoices that are imported and created in Odoo. So this how import process takes place. Whenever you want to import the invoice and create them, you will have to check this box that is invoice creation over here. Now next is the bill creation. We will check this box for the bill creation and similarly import the same. So let's go to the operations, import bills. So here we will go to the bill section first and open it. So here are some bills that are visible. So these are some of the bills which will be imported and created. So we have checked the box and here we will execute the process. And once the process is done, it will also be visible over here and created. So let's go to the mapping section and go to the bills. So here as you can see, the bills are imported and are in the draft status right now. So as we go over here, here we go to more and here are 33 bills that are imported and created. So this is how the bills are imported. Next step is the customer payments. Import customer payment. So for that, again, let's go to the instance, go to configuration and check the customer payment creation. Let's save it. So here we will again go back and in the operations, execute the same. Now once we execute it, again the same will be done. So let's go to mapping and go to the customer payments. The customer payments are imported as you can see and they will be created as draft payment right now. Similarly, we will check for the vendor payments as well. So let's create them as well. Operations and execute it. And they are executed successfully. Let's go to the vendor payment and the vendor payment are also seen over here. So all of the vendor payments are created and seen over here. Now, as you go back to your QuickBooks, here you can see bill payments and invoices are imported, and it can be seen over here. You can also go to the accounting section. Here you can see the invoices which are imported. As you can see right now, you can see the payments as well. In the vendor section, you can see the bills which are imported as well as the payments. So this is the process to import from QuickBooks to Odoo. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for your store. Our team will be there to help you out, or you can write back to us at sales@projecttechnologies.com. Thank you.